Hello everyone, in this video we are going to find the value of x in this equation. X squared is equal to 16 divided by x squared. Before we start, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Now let's get started. First of all, we're gonna cross multiply because this is over 1. So if we cross multiply, we are going to have x squared times x squared, and this is equal to 16 times 1, which of course is the same as 16. X squared times x squared, that is x to the fourth power, and this is equal to 16. Now looking at the question, it didn't state whether x is a real number or complex. So it will be better for us to find all the solutions, right? So let's bring this 16 to the left so that we get x to the fourth power minus 16 is equal to 0. We can write x to the fourth power as x to the second power, then all squared, minus 16 is the same as 4 squared, and this is equal to 0. Let's go ahead and then apply difference of two squares, which says that a squared minus b squared is the same as a plus b times a minus b. So we're going to have x squared plus 4 times x squared minus 4, and this is equal to 0. So we can say that x squared plus 4 is equal to 0, or x squared minus 4 is equal to 0. Let's consider this first equation. If we add negative 4 to each side of the equation, we're going to have x squared is equal to negative 4. We are looking for x, so we will take square root on each side of the equation. But remember, we have plus or minus here. This and this will go. We have x is equal to plus or minus 2i. Now let's come here. From here, let's go ahead and then add positive 4 to each side of the equation so that we get x squared is equal to 4. Like we did before, we are looking for x, so let's take square root on each side of the equation. So that this and this will go, we have x is equal to plus or minus 2. So in all, we have 4 values for x. We have x is equal to negative 2, negative 2i, positive 2, and then 2i. So these are the values of x. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Like the video, comment, and share. See you again on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.